Add watermark. To add a watermark to your video, go to the Effects tab and click the Watermark button. Select Apply Watermark to Videos, then browse to choose your image file. Adjust the settings as needed and click OK to apply the watermark. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on adding a watermark. To add a watermark, open the Watermark dialog by navigating to the Effects tab and clicking the Watermark button, or choose Insert Watermark from the Tools menu. Click the Browse button to select your watermark image. Next, adjust the watermark's opacity using the slider. Close to 0% is completely transparent, and close to 100% is completely opaque. If you'd like to maintain the watermark's original proportions, check Keep Aspect Ratio. You can adjust the watermark's size and position either by percentage of screen size or pixels. When using percentage of screen size, you have several options for positioning. For horizontal alignment, choose left, center, or right. For vertical alignment, choose top, bottom, or center. You can then resize the watermark by using the Resize slider, adjusting it from 1% to 100% of the screen's size. To control the watermark's distance from the edges of the screen, enter a value in the watermark margin percentage box. Increasing the margin percentage will move the watermark toward the top left corner. Alternatively, when adjusting in pixels, set the width and height in pixels. If Keep Aspect Ratio is checked, changing one dimension will automatically adjust the other. You can also adjust the watermark's horizontal and vertical positions by entering the distance in pixels from the left and top edges of the screen, respectively. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK to apply the watermark and view a preview of your changes. For more debut tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.